draw a picture. We have acrylic colors and modeling paste. We will make a texture picture. We are spreading the modeling paste. It is so fun! Now we're gonna air its color. We are mixing the colors now. Those colors match our house. Wow, look at this! Gray is my favorite color. My favorite color is blue. Guess what we're going to do? Yes, you did it! It's the moon! For the moment, we're just mixing colors. And then we're gonna make a texture. We're gonna do moon craters. Texture time. Whoa! Feels so good, like a slime. I'm a skeleton. We're gonna do moon craters. I am a mommy. Wow, look at our moon, guys. Do you like it? Now we're gonna do metallic.